They're in the gate. They're off and running. It's Honey Rose from the outside, hustled away to take a short lead. Moonberry flashing early speed. Delicate Dynamite came away racing in third. More Lacana and Zulu Queen along the inside next. Then Rich in Spirit, and three back to Warrior Girl, who trails. Now 7/8 of a mile to go. Honey Rose leads the way, a length and a quarter. Moonberry tracking under Corey Lannery, second to the outside, and Delicate Dynamite three wide into that first turn third. More Lacana stalking fourth and tipped off the fence a bit. Rich in Spirit next, 4 lengths off the lead. Then Zulu Queen next by 2 to Warrior Girls at the back of the pack to the opening quarter mile here. They cut it out in 24 2/5 seconds, and they straighten out for their run up the backside. It's Honey Rose showing the way now, half a length in front of Moonberry, who's tugging hard against Corey Lannery second. Delicate Dynamite and Robbie Alvarado third. More Lacana and a patient Julian LaPeroux covered up in fourth. Rich in Spirit fifth by 2 more to Warrior Girl, and Zulu Queen is at the back, 7 lengths off the lead. They cut out the half mile in 48 3/5 seconds. Around the far turn they roll. It's Honey Rose in front, 3/4 of a length now. Here comes Delicate Dynamite ranging up into it, 3 wide with Moonberry racing third. More Lacana's down along the inside, waiting for a narrow opening. Far outside comes Rich in Spirit. Zulu Queen from the back of the pack in a stretch drive. They turn for home. Honey Rose set down, full out drive, whips out on Delicate Dynamite. More Lacana. LaPeroux just said go, and More Lacana opens up at will. More Lacana now quickly puts 3 on the rest of the pack, and More Lacana, a big burst of energy in mid-stretch. More Lacana by an easy 4 on the wire. Honey Rose ran second, Delicate Dynamite, then Rich in Spirit.